Keyword Treasure Hunt Review.
Picture this, you've got a fantastic product, an amazing website, killer content, but here's the catch. How do you ensure that your target audience actually finds it? That's where keywords come into play, and that's where the Keyword Treasure Hunt comes to your rescue. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Keyword research, it sounds complex and time-consuming. Well, that's exactly why I created the Keyword Treasure Hunt, to simplify this process and guide you every step of the way. Inside this course, you'll find the very essence of what keywords are and why they matter. No confusing jargon, no overwhelming strategies, just a clear roadmap to understanding and leveraging the power of keywords. And guess what? You don't need to spend a fortune on fancy tools. All you need are 2 free tools that the pros use. Yep, that's right. 0 cost and maximum impact. But that's not all. You're not just getting a guide. You're getting my personal checklist for filtering and finding the top performing keywords. Imagine having a roadmap to the keywords that can skyrocket your rankings and attract organic traffic like never before. Are you still not convinced? Well, let me address the elephant in the room, the price. Typically, the Keyword Treasure Hunt goes for $17, which is already a steal considering the value it brings. But wait, for a limited time, you can get your hands on the treasure trove of knowledge for just $1. That's right, less than the cost of your morning coffee. Now, you might wonder, why just $1? I believe that everyone, regardless of their budget, should have access to game-changing insights. I want to make this journey as accessible and possible for you because your success matters. So if you're ready to uncover, optimize, and conquer with the Keyword Treasure Hunt, if you're ready to see your online presence shine like never before, then click the link below and secure your copy now. Remember, this offer won't last forever. This is your moment to step up, invest in your knowledge, and pave the way to your online triumph. Do not let doubts or questions hold you back. The Keyword Treasure Hunt is waiting, and your journey starts now. Click that link and let's dive into the world of keyword mastery together. I'll see you on the inside.